we're gonna try Peter Piper picked a pepper, and I don't think I'm gonna do that well. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Ta-da!
That was
my
good.
turn, my turn.
No, let's tell you. Then you go, James.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
Whoa! That was good.
Okay, can I read this in my head? Oh, gosh. Humana.
Whom?
I can't laugh. I'm going to mess it up. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pimples. Pepper. A peck of pickled pimples Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pimples Peter Piper picked? Retry. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pimples. Pimples.
Okay, Stella, one more time because you were the champion. Do it one more time. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Ow. Are you ready, little phony?
Yes.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pimple peppers. A peck of pimple peppers. Pimples. And Peter Piper picked a peck of pimple peppers.
Pimple peppers?
A peck of pickle pepper. Peter Piper picked a pimple. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
let me
I'm
try.
bad. Picked a pimple. Pickled peppers. I can't. Picked a pimple.
Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper
Nursery
picked
rhymes.
a peck of pickled pepper,